In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate audio into your Google Sites. Whether you're enhancing a presentation or adding a personal touch to your website, embedding audio is a fantastic way to engage your audience and bring your content to life. So let's dive in and explore how you can do this in just a few easy steps. First, we need to navigate over to Google Sites. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Google Sites, or simply search for it through Google's search bar. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. This will take you to your dashboard where you can create a new site or access an existing one. Now, if you haven't already set up the site you want to work on, take a moment to do that or choose the appropriate project from your existing sites. Remember, organization here is key for easy access and efficient editing later on. Next, let's get into the fun part, inserting your audio file. With your Google site open, you're going to select the Insert tab from the menu on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where all your different content options are located, from text boxes to images, and importantly, where you'll find the link to Google Drive. Click on Drive, which will open up a window showing all the files linked to your Google account. If your audio file isn't already stored here, you'll need to upload it to Google Drive first. Once your audio file is in Google Drive, locate it in the list and click on it. Here's a tip. If you have a lot of files, consider using the search bar at the top to quickly find your audio file by name. Once you've found your file, right-click it and select Get Link. This will bring up a dialog box with the sharing settings. Make sure your audio file is available to anyone with the link by adjusting the permissions. Copy the link provided, and with that, your audio file is ready to be embedded. Switch back over to your Google Sites tab and find a spot on the page where you want your audio file to appear. Double-click on that area, and a circular menu will pop up. Select Embed from this menu, which will prompt a new window where you can paste your copied link. After pasting the link, simply click Insert, and voila, your audio file is now part of your Google site. It really is as straightforward as that. And there you have it. Your Google site now contains an embedded audio file, adding a new layer of interaction for your viewers to enjoy. Feel free to move the audio around until you're happy with its placement. That's all you need to do to enhance your site with sound. Thank you for watching, and have fun creating interactive content on Google Sites.